Everyone's getting this question wrong, so I'm just going to talk a little bit about it to remind you what to do for it. So obviously it's a system of equations, just visually it jumps out at you this way. And when you see a system of equations question, you want to think to yourself, what are my three possible cases for system of equations when it's a linear system? It could either be one solution, which means two intersecting lines. It could be no solution, which means two parallel lines. Or it could be infinitely many solutions, meaning they're the exact same line. They have the same slope. They have the same y-intercept. If you graph them, it would look like one line because they're the same line. So if you graph this in Desmos by just simply typing these in, it would become crystal clear that these are the same line. If you look at it now, check out the first equation. Notice that the second equation is just the first equation with everything multiplied by 5. So they're the same exact line. So then what are they actually asking for this question? What they're saying is they're saying, which of these points is on this line? If it's a point on the line, that means that you can plug it in and get a true statement. So you could plug in the x coordinate as x, you could plug in the y coordinate as y, and it's going to give you a true statement. So you could go through and plug those in. There are a lot of ways to solve this. I'll make a more in-depth video about it in the future, but I just wanted to make a short video cluing you into the fact that that's basically what's going on with this question, that it's a system of equations question. In this case, it's infinitely many solutions. They're the same line. That point in the answer choices needs to exist on both lines, meaning when you plug in the point, it needs to make a true expression for both equations. If it's true for both equations, then it's a solution is the answer.